Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'll show you how to deposit cash to your Chime account. Now you have got many options, mainly three options. You can deposit direct cash, and here's how it works. To make a free cash deposit near you, simply open the Chime app, tap Move Money, then go and click on Deposit Cash, and after that click on See Locations Near Me. It will show you the nearest location that you can actually go for, and it is Walgreens or DVS. Once you get to there, just ask the cashier to make a cash deposit and give them your Chime Visa debit card. And now to set up a direct deposit, open the Chime app and you can find your Chime routing number and account number in your settings. Simply click on the cogwheel icon on the top left side. Now provide your employer or payroll provider with this info. So simply click on Get Complete Form. Then here they send you an email, a form like so. You have to fill it in. Chime takes care of the rest of your funds and will automatically post to your CH checking account as soon as they receive them. You can also transfer money from another bank with a transfer. To get started, log in into your bank account, just like so. Enter user ID and password. Then you'll have to navigate to transfer. Then now you'll have to enter the routing number and the account number of your Chime account. And as I mentioned, you will find it in the settings of your Chime application. And after that, follow the prompts in order to complete the transaction. And you're all done. And that's all for today. If you found it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.